Stop! Before you click away, let me ask you something. What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, you are missing thousands of opportunities, job offers you can't apply for, friends you'll never meet, countries you can't explore, dreams you can't chase, all because of one thing: English. But here's the truth nobody tells you. English is not just a language, it's a key that opens doors you didn't even know existed. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this key will change your life. Stay with me until the end, because what I'm about to share will make you see English in a completely different way. Let me be honest with you. Maybe you tried to learn English before. Maybe you failed. Maybe you think it's too difficult, too late, or too boring. I understand. I was there too. But let me share something with you. English is spoken by 1.5 billion people around the world. That's 1.5 billion potential friends, teachers, business partners, and opportunities. Think about it. Right now, while you're watching this video, someone in Japan is learning English. Someone in Brazil is learning English. Someone in Germany is learning English. Why? Because they know something important. They know that English is not just about grammar or vocabulary. It's about freedom. Freedom to travel anywhere. Freedom to work anywhere. Freedom to learn anything. Freedom to be anyone. Do you want that freedom? Then keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly what English can do for you. Let's talk about something real. Money. Your future. Your career. Did you know that people who speak English earn 30 to 50% more money than people who don't? Yes, you heard that right. Almost half more. Why? Because English opens doors to international companies, better positions, and higher salaries. Imagine this. You're in a job interview. There are 10 candidates. 9 of them speak only their native language. But you speak English. Who do you think gets the job? You do. Because companies need people who can communicate with the world. Think about these jobs: international sales manager, software developer, hotel manager, airline pilot, digital marketer, YouTube creator. All of these jobs pay more if you speak English. Some jobs require English. Without English, these doors are closed to you. With English, they're wide open. But it's not just about having a job. It's about having choices. It's about not being stuck in one place doing one thing forever. English gives you options. English gives you power. English gives you control over your own future. And here's something amazing. You don't need to be perfect at English to get these benefits. You just need to be good enough. B1 level? That's enough for most international jobs. A2 level? That's enough to start freelancing online and earning in dollars or euros. Are you starting to see the possibilities? We're just getting started. Now, let's talk about something fun: travel. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you're at the airport. You're going to your dream destination. Maybe it's New York. Maybe it's London. Maybe it's Tokyo or Paris or Sydney. You land, you step outside, and then you realize you can't ask for directions. You can't order food. You can't talk to people. You feel lost. You feel like a child. This is not the feeling you want. But now imagine this instead. You land in the same city. You speak English. Suddenly, everything changes. You ask someone for help, they help you. You make a joke, They laugh. You meet a local person, you become friends. You don't just visit the country, you experience it. English is the language of travelers. In almost every country in the world, you can find someone who speaks English. Hotel staff speak English. Restaurant workers speak English. Tour guides speak English. Even locals in small villages often speak some English. Without English, you're a tourist. With English, you're an explorer. And here's the beautiful part. Travel becomes cheaper when you speak English. Why? Because you can book things yourself online. You can find better deals. You can avoid tourist traps. You can negotiate prices. You can use apps and websites that only work in English. Do you dream of seeing the world? English is your passport, not just to enter countries, but to truly live in them. Let's talk about something powerful: knowledge. Did you know that 80% of information on the internet is in English? Think about that. 80%. That means if you don't speak English, you're missing 80% of human knowledge. 80%. Want to learn programming? The best courses are in English. Want to learn marketing? English. Want to learn cooking, photography, music, science, history, anything? The best information is in English. YouTube? Most of the best educational channels are in English. Websites? Most useful websites are in English. Books? Most books are published in English first. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality. When you speak English, you learn from the best teachers in the world. You watch TED Talks. You read original books, not translations. You take courses from Harvard, MIT, Stanford for free online in English. Your native language is beautiful, but English is the language of global learning. If you want to be the best version of yourself, if you want to learn and grow and improve, English is not optional, it's essential. And here's something exciting. Once you learn English, learning becomes easier. Why? Because you have access to better methods, better teachers, and better resources. English is not just something you learn, it's something that helps you learn everything else. Are you excited yet? Because we're not done. Now, let me tell you about the most important thing: people. Languages are not about words. Languages are about connections, and English connects you to more people than any other language on earth. Think about this. Right now, there are millions of amazing people in the world. People who could be your friends. People who could be your business partners. People who could change your life. But you'll never meet them. Why? Because you don't speak their language, and they don't speak yours. But you both speak English. English is the bridge. It connects different cultures, different countries, different minds. Want to make friends from different countries? English. Want to date someone from another culture? English. Want to collaborate on international projects? English. Want to be part of global communities online? English. I've seen it happen so many times. Someone learns English. Suddenly, their world becomes bigger. They make friends in other countries. They join international groups. They feel part of something larger than themselves. They don't feel alone anymore. And in today's world, with the internet, this is more important than ever. You can video call someone in Australia. You can play games with people in America. You can work on projects with people in Europe, but only if you speak English. English doesn't just give you connections. It gives you belonging. It makes you a citizen of the world, not just your country. Let me tell you something personal. When you learn English, something magical happens. You don't just learn a language. You become a different person. You become more confident. Why? Because every time you speak English, you prove to yourself that you can do difficult things. You prove that you can learn. You prove that you can grow. You become braver. Why? Because speaking a foreign language is scary at first. But when you do it anyway, when you make mistakes and keep going, you build courage. And that courage spreads to other parts of your life. You become more open-minded. Why? Because when you learn another language, you learn another way of thinking. You see the world differently. You understand people better. You become more tolerant and more understanding. Learning English is not just about career or travel or knowledge. It's about becoming the person you want to be. It's about transformation. Think about who you are today. Now, think about who you'll be when you can speak English fluently. Can you see the difference? That person is more successful, more confident, more connected to the world, more free. That person is waiting for you, but you have to take the first step. So, let me ask you a question. After everything I've told you today, are you ready to start? I know what you're thinking. It's too hard. It takes too long. I'm too old. I don't have time. I'm not good at languages. Let me tell you something. Those are excuses. They're not reasons. They're fears talking. Yes, learning English takes time. Maybe 6 months to reach A2. Maybe 1 year to reach B1. Maybe 2 years to reach B2. But you know what? That time will pass anyway. In 2 years, you'll be 2 years older. The question is, will you be 2 years older with English or 2 years older with regrets? You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to speak like a native. You just need to start. Today. Right now. Here's my challenge to you. 30 days. Give English 30 days. Just 30 days. 15 minutes every day. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Speak English out loud even if nobody is listening. Read simple English texts. Use language apps. Just 30 days, and I promise you, you will see progress. You will feel different. You will want to continue. And if you want more help, check out the resources I've linked in the description below. Free apps, free websites, free courses, everything you need to start your English journey today. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once knew 0 words. The only difference between them and you is that they started. They took action. They kept going. Your future self is waiting. The version of you that speaks English, that has more opportunities, that travels the world, that connects with people from everywhere, that feels confident and free, that person is waiting. Don't make them wait forever. Start today. Start now. Your life is about to change. Thank you for watching. If this video motivated you, hit that like button and subscribe for more English learning content. Leave a comment below telling me, why do you want to learn English? What's your reason? I believe in you. Now it's time for you to believe in yourself. See you in the next video. And remember, your English journey starts today.